Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function Roman and Arabic. Now, what does this Roman functions do? This is a very simple formula. This function converts an Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Arabic is our normal regular numbers which we use, and the Arabic is the reverse of it. That means this function converts Roman numerals to an Arabic numerals. Let's understand with an example. Okay, here is a deck which you have prepared of HR about multiculturalism. So you have made a point and made this deck. Now, after preparing everything, your manager says, "No, we want, this serial number which is in Arabic. This call it Arabic in Excel parlance. So let's use that as an Arabic only. Okay. So when we use this, I don't want this in Arabic. We want it in Roman numbers. So manually doing would be tedious, assuming that you have created a very big deck. But with a formula, you can change it. So I say Roman, open the bracket, and select the number here. And second argument is optional, so we'll not go into that. So we'll just close the bracket, enter. See, now 1 has become the Roman number I, which stands for 1. So let's copy this formula till we have the n. Yeah, see, it is converted into Roman numbers. Now Arabic is the reverse of it. That means it will convert Roman number to numeric. If you have updated like this Roman and you're asked to convert it into normal numbers, so how do we do that? So you put Arabic, open bracket, and select this one and close the bracket. Sorry, here we have the text. Close the bracket. Converts back to the regular number. Yeah. So this is how we use Roman and Arabic functions. That's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.